Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to install Node.js step by step on your Mac OS system. First, open your browser and go to nodejs.org. This is the official Node website, so make sure that the URL is correct. From the home page, there are two options. You can go to the download page by clicking Get Node.js button, or you can redirect it from the download link on the menu bar. Once that is done, you select the LTS version. The LTS version is recommended for most users because it's stable and widely supported. Once that's done, select the operating system. In this case, it's Mac OS. Just keep everything as it is and click the Mac OS installer package. This will download the package. Go to your downloads and double click to start the setup. Click continue, accept and agree to all the license terms, and click install. Wait for a few seconds and Node.js will be installed on your system. Once it's done, click finish. Now let's verify the installation. From your applications, open the terminal. Type in node -v and press enter. You will be displayed the version of the Node.js which is installed. If you are seeing this version, your Node.js is installed successfully. Now let's check the npm as well. npm comes bundled with Node.js. So how we do that? We type npm -v and we will be displayed with the version. And that is it. You have successfully installed Node.js on your Mac OS system. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And I'll see you in the next one.